One board game geeks. It's been a while. I do apologise. I've been setting up so much stuff, trying to get my head around Discord, set up a Twitch channel. I'll put the link in for the Twitch channel below, and I'm going to start blogs again as soon as I get a chance. It's mental, hasn't stopped. So, got to do a quick unboxing of Xenofera. I've been after this box for ages. I've seen it being played on I want to say a Let's Play. It was a couple. Oh my god, I can't remember their names. Yes, those guys. And since they played it, I wanted it. So that didn't cut into it at all. I need a sharper knife. Did I get it? Did I have a penetrable box? There we go. Got it. Oh no. Right, so Xenofera. The idea of the game is to land on the planet and capture as many creatures as you can. Let's get rid of the rubbish. Always got to have pockets. Yep, and what you're going to be doing in this game, it's taking turns. You're going to recruit new squad members, crew, to capture various creatures along the way. Each creature will have different habitats and locations where they're from. You're going to have hidden missions and objectives. And yeah, that is to get points, build cages, put them in the cage, and it'll be fun. However, opponents can steal from you, and you don't want that. Battles. So awesome. Oh, battles on the card system. Nice. So you play 2 cards down together, and that is your score. Sweet. I think it gives you the end game number of players occupying how many cages, scoring, and whatnot. There's another sheet, FAQs. Oh, bestiary. Look at this. That's awesome. One, 2. Let's go with this one. Okay. Here, when you get a deck of cards that's sealed, and you can't get in because it hasn't got the bloody quick tab release around the outside. Does it save money? We don't know. Oh. Come on and open. So yeah, all is well. Everything's fine. If you're all fine. On the Twitch channel, I'm currently playing Inquisitor Martyr at the minute, but we'll see how we go. Looking at the new rules and regulations behind Twitch, it should be easy for us to get going there. So here we go. Crew members, yes, they have costs and stuff. I'll have to read the rules and what they do, and that was an amazing trick to flip the card like that. Kaji. Oh yeah, so each creature is going to be different sizes. So that one does medium, or as this is a double decker, does 1 medium or 2 smalls. Cage, 1 small. You can't capture a creature if you haven't got a cage. That's what makes it fun. It's ace. One creature of a cage. That's good because from what I've seen, when you start off, your ground creatures are thrown in whatever cages are available. But once they're in a cage, you can't move them without that guy. There's quite a few crew members here. I don't want to read them all. I don't want. They've all got names. Nice. Appropriate. Oh, these are going to need shuffling like a beast. So you steal crew, search either the deck, scar part of a creature, put line of sight. That's quite good. Kill off a huntsman. I haven't come across huntsman yet. Have I? Alien builder expedition. Portraits. I don't look at the animals. Not allowed to look. I want them to be secrets. Secrets on secrets. So yeah, going back to the Twitch channel, we are on Summon Games DM. We've started a community, so each of us that's involved with Summon Games has set up their own channel, and the idea is we are link hosting to one another. That's grand. So we should be able to get more exposure, which is great. Also thinking of podcasting. I need to start that as soon as possible and get people in and turn it into a once a week, maybe twice a week, doing podcasts and just talking about board games and board games in general and what's out there. So we can keep everyone up to date with what's going on. Yes, these look awesome. I don't actually want to read the cards because I want to come up whilst they're going to be shuffling. The alarm system for when someone's trying to steal his stuff. Lock it. Stolen cage. Any creatures placed in the cage not affected by steal or release. Nice. I've never seen that card. Stampede. Catch intruder. Nice. The counter card for stealing. Jewel. It's time to jewel. Large Kaji. Whoa. Colored pen. Good barrier. One large. Or a medium and a small. Ooh. That's quite interesting. Delicate creatures don't look. Oh, that's so pretty. I've got to show you some of them. Come on. Come on. That's so pretty. These are nice. Ah, it tells you. It's carnivorous. Herbivore. Excellent. So I thought it gave venomous planet Baron Callista. So that means, let me put them. Skadoosh. So out of those wraps, 2 had the quick release thing, and 1 didn't. Symbol guide, quick reference sheets, jewel cards, jewel, decoys. I like it. Collections. Alright, here we go. These are your main missions. So when you get collections, you need 3 creatures from the Baron, 3 creatures from Callista, Nyx, 3 creatures with the armor value. Deadly creatures. This is like what I like about some of these games. They put the cutest thing in, and then say it's deadly. I'm playing Stellaris at the minute, and I've created what looks like the cutest butterfly creature, but give it Hive and Devouring Swarm. Someone's like, "Oh, they're cute," and it's just like, "We're gonna eat you." Aha. Hunter, Baiting Katos. Kulat Nunu. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Come on. You already made it look that pretty for one reason. Let's create a fan base who are obsessed. Is that all the hunters? Are they separate? Right, okay. A lot of cages. Hell of a lot of cages. More creatures! Be deadly, be deadly. Boo. Let's call it Babe. Okay. A Baraf. Deadly. Okay. Carnizel. That's quite scary. A gazelle that eats people. Cool. So, average gameplay is about an hour. It's 2 to 5 players, ages 14 and up. It's probably good to say 14 and up because the rules are probably a little bit complex. They were created by Liz, Gatra and Jeff Porter. Give you a little shout. Yeah, I always think like the age group is a bit loose these days because kids seem to be taking more to board games quicker than the parents. Parents think they're sneaky at some board games, but it's just not right. It's just not right. So that's the unboxing. We'll get this to the table once the usual things are out of the way. Yeah, we will. So we've got a couple of shout outs before we finish. Titan Games, get on there. They've got a few, they've got a good selection and a handful of games that I have not seen, which I've picked one up, which is that one over there that you can just see out of reach, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of that one soon. So yeah, go to them, see what they've got. Getting a collection going. Once Madness is done, we should be alright. There's various Kickstarters online now, which everyone's going for. Have a look at Hell, Sheol. That's Hell the Last Saga, Sheol, SHEOL. Stop the Train. That one's just released today. If you're watching this video, go have a look at that one. It's really cheap and it's a social deduction game. I'm trying to think. That's it. More news as it comes. More unboxings as we go. I'll try and find a game I can do a playthrough of on my lonesome and see how we get on with that. Then that's about it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Teddy bye.